Welcome aboard, everybody, to the Dollar Tree train. Yeah, we're gonna have us a summer fun Dollar Tree train. All true derailed. Aww. Yep, went out of business and just kind of like derailed. That's just the best way to put it. And we're back on track, and we stopped by Dollar Tree. And there are 10 channels participating in this collaboration for summer fun. And those channels are, not in any particular order, Arleen with Unboxing with Arleen, Melissa with 700 Mile Mama, Laurie Latimer, as you may know, is Sister Fantastic, and Stephanie with NC Mountain Mama. We have Tracey with Tracey and Chloe's Unboxings, Beauty and More. We have Monique with Monique's Unique Critique. We have Cheryl, Gracefully Cheryl. And we have Robyn with Robyn's Closet. We have Laura with Laura Wooten Unboxings. And of course we have Miss Jackie Russell, the conductor. That's me. That's right. Well, we all decided that we didn't want to just end the train. So we've picked up a couple of new channels and we've set out on a task for Dollar Tree Summer Fun. And what we are to do is to pick out 10 items. Now guys, it can be any 10 items. Oh, back the train up. Did I welcome you all? Did I say thank you for joining and tuning into my channel today? If I did not, well then now I'm doing it. I want you to know I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you enjoy our new Dollar Tree train. Now, in order to participate in this train, everyone has agreed to do a giveaway. So there will be 10 giveaways in this particular collaboration. We have all agreed to go to Dollar Tree and purchase 10 items. It can be any 10 items that we choose. And it can be themed, it can be random, it can just be whatever. So I have no idea what everybody has decided to do. But I purchased my 10 items and I'm going to show them to you. And what I'd like for you to do for all the channels is to rate our purchases from 1 to 10 on how you think that it would be useful for you for summer fun and how well you liked it. And if you had a particular item, then let us know what your favorite item was out of the things that I purchased in my bundle or in my collection. So all of these will be a little bit like a mystery because, you know, Dollar Trees are everywhere, of course, but they don't have the same things all the time. I mean, many things will be alike, but some stores will have something different and unique. So like I said, I'm not sure what everybody's going to have. I can just tell you what I'm going to have, and we'll get to the giveaway part at the end of this video. Now, my theme, I went with a beach theme, which is typical for me, right? So, but it may not be your typical beach theme, but this is what I decided to do. So the first thing that I'm going to show you that I purchased, and it's all in my little bag here, and I don't want to drop or break anything. The first thing I purchased was a beach-like dish drying mat for your kitchen. I thought this was so pretty, and I know it would look real nice in my kitchen with the blues and the grays and the whites. So this was the first item that I purchased. Now to go with that, I decided, well, gotta have us a little towel. So I got the Sea and Sand Sunshine Towel, and it says it on both sides, and it matches and is the same colors. The next item that I purchased was, if you're gonna have a little party or picnic, you might want a tablecloth. So I got a tablecloth that matches the towel, and therefore you can set this all up to be color coordinated. The next item that I purchased was a tea tray or a tray, and you could serve fruit, you could serve dishes on here, you could serve drinks on here. And speaking of drinks, I decided to get 2 wine glasses because you all know I like to drink my wine. So we have the Sea and Sand Sunshine wine glasses for our little tray, which you could set up to serve. And while you're serving, you might as well have a little flower on it. So I found me a little jar with a starfish on it. And then you gotta have some red, white, and blue because we're into summer. So then I bought me the red, white, and blue flowers that I'm gonna put inside my little jar here the best that I can. I'm not saying it's gonna stay in there very well, but now I have my wine glasses, my flowers, and my little vase that I used, that little jar, for a little setup for my summer beachy style wine time, outside time. Okay, so I get a little ridiculous. And while we're on the mood of red, white, and blue, I did have to throw in some red, white, and blue, and I found this little unicorn that I could decorate with as well. So this is a little bit off theme here, but I just thought it was so cute, I had to get it. So let me see if I can get it over here without dropping everything else. So isn't that cute? I mean, that is just adorable, a little fantail. So I've got my red, white, and blue, so we're all set for the 4th of July too, if you want to add in a few things for that. And then the last item that I purchased for my 10 items was this Happiness is Easy at the Beach. So you can put this in your kitchen and it'll kind of go with your dish mat, drying pad, and your towel, and it'll kind of go with everything. And I just thought that was really cute to go with everything that I purchased. So let's count my items. I had 1, Happiness is Easy at the Beach. I had 2, 3 wine glasses, which these are good sized little wine glasses. I had 4 and 5 with my flowers, 6 with my unicorn, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these were my 10 items that I got at the Dollar Tree. And you can find all kinds of things at the Dollar Tree, which everyone knows. And you can really do quite a bit of decorating for a very inexpensive amount. Of course, now we know all of these items cost $1.25 now. So, you know, my purchase wasn't $10, it was $12.50. So my total purchase was $12.50 plus tax. But hey guys, I think I found a good buy. Did I have the best buy? I hope so. And that's something else you can do. You can come back and tell us who had the best Dollar Tree bag. I think mine's pretty good, but I have no clue. There could be other ones that picked out the same things. There could be things that's totally different. I don't know. And I can't wait to see all the ladies and what they got at their Dollar Tree for 10 items. Now, for the giveaway. My giveaway is going to be everything you just saw. Yep, that's right. I'm going to give away all 10 items to one lucky winner. What do you have to do? To enter this, you have to use the word beach. You have to use the word beach, and then you will be entered into this. You do need to rate my Dollar Tree haul from 1 to 10. And I don't know if I should be calling it Dollar Tree haul, Dollar Tree train, Dollar Tree bag. Not really a box. But anyways, you rate it, you let me know, and I'll be happy to hear about it. Now, the rules. You must be 18 years or older. You must be a citizen within the Continental USA. You must be subscribed to every channel. Yes, you do. And we will be checking to make sure that you're subscribed to each of us. And you have to be publicly subscribed. So make sure that your channels are public. If you're not sure or if they're not public, I've got a link down in the description that'll tell you how to make your channel public. Also, while you're going through here, if you're subscribing to some of us, just keep in mind that you need to like the video, you need to comment on the video, and you need to watch it. So keep that in mind. Take the time to watch our videos, rate them, and also another part of the rules is YouTube or Dollar Tree or any of these items that I showed are in no way affiliated with this giveaway. I have purchased all these items. I'm not responsible if anything gets broken or damaged during shipping. I will pack everything really nice and I'll make sure that it gets to you in good shape. You'll have it in time for your summer fun. And I guess basically that's all I have. And I hope y'all enjoy our little Dollar Tree train. We certainly had a lot of fun putting it together, and we look forward to seeing your comments. And I guess for today, other than looking in my descriptions for any current giveaways that are going on, well, I will tell you one more thing. This will run for 2 weeks, from Saturday, May 28th to June 11th, 5 p.m. Central Time for mine, and we will announce the winner on the 12th. Be sure and use the code word in a sentence in the bottom, along with all the other rules that we had, such as rating our little Dollar Tree haul, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. So as for today, that's all I have, and I hope you enjoyed our little train, and as usual, I wish you a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.